Currently I'm looking like this, and this is not it, right? Like, let's be honest, what the fuck is this? So I'm about to get a haircut, but I just wanted to show you like what my hair looks like at the minute. It looks like it's healthy and everything's fine, but I've just been dealing with a lot of hair fall lately, so I just end up like very rarely washing it, and I just tie it up like in a bun. The part that annoys me is like every picture, every clip, every video, wherever I'm going, it's that one hairdo with like my hair up. Like I genuinely I love my hair. Like I've always loved my hair, and I'm very blessed with very like straight black hair. So I don't want to change any of that, but I think I want to go short because I love short hair. I have some ideas, so I'm gonna see whichever one the stylist thinks will look best as well. I will like consider their opinion for sure. But this is what it's looking like now, and I'm gonna try and record if I love it. If I don't, I will also like take my time and like show you what it looks like. But yeah, for now this is what we're working with. This length anyway I don't like at all. If I like chicken out, I'm probably just gonna get like a trim, but if I'm peeling it, it's gonna be a pixie cut. Pixie cut. We'll see. Let's go. So this is my hair now. It's pretty wild that I went from that to this. Like it's proper short from the front. As you saw, I decided to get some bangs, and this is the back and the side. Honestly, I haven't seen the back myself, so this will be interesting. there was a moment when she was cutting my hair sort of like from this part, and I was like, I hate it. What the hell? And I then decided to sort of bring it to like this length. So if I feel like it's too like masculine, I can kind of bring out some pieces, throw it on my ear like that, and just be a little more like feminine and proper. But anyway, I love the hair. I was dealing with hair for the past 2 weeks, mostly because I used a particular shampoo that whenever I would wash my hair, and like the following like week, like strands of my hair, and I mean like strands like from the roots, were sort of pulling out. But anyway, I always wanted a pixie cut because it's such a cool look, and I think the kind of personality I have and the way that I dress has a lot of elements of this like very powerful, very playful hairdo. So yeah, I did go for like a shorter length, but I added some bangs just to make it like more playful. And even in winters, I love to wear like oversized blazers, layers. So I think if I can kind of keep my hair like very neat and like sort of away from my face and away from like my shoulder, I am happy with it. I will say that the next morning after getting the haircut, when I woke up and I was kind of just sort of in my sleep and I touched my hair and I went, oh, what? But it's true that when I wake up in the morning, my hair is a big mess. I think my hair is also sort of adapting to the cut, and I will find my way around styling it. But for now, this is how it stays. The only product that I picked up after the haircut was this air dry cream. It's from this brand called Umberto Giannini. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's like this vegan cruelty free brand, and like I love that kind of product. And because I don't use any heat whatsoever, and I don't intend to, I went for like a no heat styling cream. So it's just like a banana scented like gel cream, almost like a thick body butter consistency, and just sort of rub it on my hands and just sort of run it through my hair like this, just to set the layers in place. It doesn't make the hair crusty or heavy or anything. I don't know what's in it, but like it does this to my hair, which I am like very happy about. More than anything else with pixie cut, the biggest thing is your face, because there's not a lot of like layers or pieces that can shape your face or any of that sort. So do consider like speaking with your hairstylist and understand like if it will look good on your face or not. What my hairstylist specifically said to me was, because I have a smaller face and because I have like a jawline on the side, she kept the like the cut like that, just to kind of enhance the shape of my face. And I do have like a fuller face, almost like a baby face, 'cause, like I have cheeks and stuff. So doing this just gave me a very like edgy, I want to say facelift, but you know what I mean, like it gave me that structure. So I'm very happy with that. But even so, like I think if you feel like doing it, just do it. It's just hair, it will grow back. There are moments when I like sort of look at myself in the mirror randomly and I'm like, okay, because there's just no way that, like, if imagine if I'm having a bad hair day, there's nothing I can do. Like I can't tie it, I'm not gonna wear a hairband, I'm not 12. And I tried wearing a cap as well, and it just made me look like a boy. I was like, yo, I'm not doing baseball caps until like I have some length at the back. Let's try with the cowboy hat. I love it. Nothing in the world a cowboy hat can't fix, right? If you have an idea and you want to do something about it, just go for it, because we're young and we might as well take the risk now than do it at, I don't know, when I'm 80, when I'm balding, you know. So yeah, just as long as my hair is healthy and I'm able to like take care of it, oil it, use good products, eat well, I'm happy with it. And yeah, hats are back.